Modown began as an idea that developed into a plan. It was just a thought for us to have a space where people could come together, people that were passionate about what they do, and people that had something to show, whether it was their skill set, their products, their companies. We wanted to level out the playing field. We wanted for everyone to feel welcome. But more importantly, we wanted to create something that you would feel proud to be part of, that you'd share with your friends and your family, that you will look forward to just like you do any other holiday. There's something that happens here. There's a magic that I talk about, that I myself wait for every year, just like you. We may set down the plans and we may reserve the date, but you are the one that makes it happen. When the competitors and the exhibitors and the guests and the educators and everyone comes together to do their part and to do it to the best of their abilities, something happens, something that can only happen when humans come together and collaborate. We are all elevated, not just our craft and our business, but us as people. We are re-energized and revitalized. We are reminded that there's others just like us on our pursuit, on that endless pursuit to happiness. Those that enjoy the journey, the struggle, the blood, the sweat, the tears. Those who don't mind showing up, beaten up and busted and bruised, so long as they got to travel to get to where they want to be. Modown is deeper than a trade show. Modown is about the people that make this trade possible.